Hey, y'all, come look at this.
So when you put yourself in a certain position, you put up yourself to get certain embarrassment and certain stuff, you understand?
A few moments later.
You hear that? Nothing at all no go on with people or something. I mean, and the organizers, them have a little jump off. You hear that? That's something we always go on. You know what I mean? So I just go out there on a dark mode. Big up Vibes Cartel, you hear that? So some look front. And so MASICKA is the person, that's why we say genocide. We stay by ourselves and we work. You understand? And then see we out, we don't look friend from nobody at all. You get what me I say?
A few moments later.
Them all who no like how we da live.
Wrong.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a one MASICKA senior.
One Gaza.
A few moments later.
Now so we big up everybody in the music industry and we respect every artist, but we not run behind nobody. We not have a leader. We don't need nobody to call me up on a show. You understand?
2,000 years later.
Understand me, I do my thing. And that's the thing when you run behind people and you understand, you try to seek hype out of every little thing, you end up get them thing there.
One eternity later.
There's some pussy, a dark boy, gunny vendetta, a Gaza genocide, Gaza buckler genocide.
Because you try to rush the thing.
Look at this.
That next youth to come and be the next leader, MASICKA.
One eternity later.
When last Sunfest 25,000 people. Our artists depended last year and year before. I want to pull blood clot, not even 15,000, not even 12,000. I want to pull. I want to can't sit down and talk about no blood clot about my Sunfest.
It might be my last Sunfest, you understand? You have some boy now on a style, I'm telling them about for real, you hear that?
Eh? Move on a blood clot.
Oh my God.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Media Fox no, yeah man, no thing said. People, no Media Fox set already. You understand? Because me I go expose something where a lot of people don't know. You understand? Because let me tell you this. That's why I tell you say, yo, MASICKA, he's been cheating the game. Yeah man, he want easy run. You understand? That me realize that, and that's why he not really reach certain levels at yet. Is what me I try to say. We just are going right now, I just a little more talk, more peace and all of them something. But when you check certain facts, nothing is there. You understand? Yeah man. But I go play a clip and couple clips more. I'm wanting to listen keenly. You understand? But listen to the clip here. So that clip here is when MASICKA not boss yet, but him hungry to get boss. You understand? Yeah man. Him a guns out and everything. But listen people.
No. So what if he wants to clash you? The both of your hands thing, if he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Win for it right now. On that stage, right, so.
So wait a minute here now. So we didn't put you in the mix when we were talking about this pending clash, this potential clash at stake.
People, the clash you win for that talk. MASICKA was in it. It was all about Gage, Tamili, and Alkaline, which them did a try involve Alkaline at the war, cause Alkaline and them now have nothing. You understand? Really like that. So them did that MASICKA him now, him want enough up in the war because him a iron balloon from a long time. Him their own conscience, him can't bust so much years. So him want happiness something now. That's why Winford say, yo, you wasn't in the talk when the clash thing a go on, you were just a forward. You understand? But listen people.
Now it's a four-way thing because Alkaline is in there, MASICKA is in there, Tommy Lee and Gage. And you say you're ready. So you ready, Gage ready, Tommy Lee ready. Only Alkaline is outstanding.
Afraid man.
So this is the thing. For sure, that the reaction there, coward. I don't know if you see him face. But him look up in the sky. Him afraid. You know why him look up in the sky? Because him and Alkaline never have nothing. Alkaline no see him, so what him a do? Him a try prop up himself for getting at the war so him can get the attention. You understand? I saw him steer. And you see when him get the attention now, you hear him start play levels card. But listen people.
Wow. How has it affected your career so far? This feud?
You know, everything. I'm not gonna say everything, but everything's sky high right now.
You see it? So basically him say, yo, the CM running a war thing, sky high, I give him that little attention there. You understand what I'm saying? Forward out and say him na rate Alkaline and this, that. So I happy him is a way of him try to ride this, so you know. Yeah man, when him a forward in a clash and everything. Is what me I try to say. So that are the thing where them man ya, boy me I tell you. MASICKA, him just a play a role where but down the line now go see what go on. You understand? But me I go play a next clip. I want to listen it, you know, people. I want to listen. See? Me I go make you listen what go on. Listen this.
A lot of songs out there right now. You understand? Hardball, Top Strike, and Darkest Class, everything.
So people, that clip you know, I win him boss you know. Things are going for him. But I want to listen, everything changed now, you know. Remember saying guns over and war and everything, you know. When him and but nobody never really have nothing like that. You see, but listen people.
You know, we've been to find the songs. If I go say Dancehall, and you go call the 5 main artists who are doing it right now, are the top 3 artists, MASICKA, for Unite, whether they like it or not.
And so you're enjoying an ascension in this time.
Yeah, man.
And which means that and we're also reporting that you're no longer an underground artist. You're now in the mainstream of dancehall, on the front line.
People may tell him feel like, oh yeah, when Winford said that, you know, him no longer underground artist, you know. Cause him a try how long the balloon can't bust. You understand? But listen people.
Yeah, what is that
for you? Is that what you've always wanted?
Yeah, that is not what I always wanted. We know say well, I always wanted for me, people just give the music a yes. You get to message from them listen, we know say we never take over but at just time. So you get to message, so we do the work, we send the music out there and the people they make it bubble over. You understand? All of the top producers them a link. If you turn on the radio, you hear MASICKA. If you go in the street and ask the kids them what you know, them a go say MASICKA.
The single with Cartel is said to be a game changer for you.
People, remember you know that brother here when a big linking up. Let me tell you this people. MASICKA nah go reach on that level there. You see that question away I go ask with the Cartel song change him career, or it a go use beat him all the time. Him career set up right there so. Because them time there him wasn't in the thought them time there when him start link with the Gaza and when him get the infrared at this or now him start get the strength. Yeah man. So them time there enough of them did I give him the strength this I say yo next man I go be MASICKA. But through the little thing go on panic the crown thing now him I say yo him on no body and all that and not this. That me I try to show you people but listen.
Is it the Cartel factor or is it
well they don't know the single the people them didn't anticipate it, you understand? They don't know me forward from Poop, my vibes started forward from Poop, so we are lyricists, so the momentum behind the single, they don't lead it up to everybody.
Some people wanted you to do a collaboration.
Some of the fans them keep on the ask, man, the YouTube, if you go in the streets, they must say, and the two man, they may go run dancehall, you know, Poop more, calabar, so.
Yo, people, they must say, who really live in a Cartel shadow? I that I really want to know. This Poop more, calabar thing, lyrically, bro, it come like we find Cartel shadow, brother. I really Cartel shadow this. Yeah, man.
Actually, no, boom, TJ, don't know me, I work with TJ from a far point back, I understand. So, TJ had the singer and TJ say, yo, DJ Ray, and we do it. But even before the Vibes Cartel song, you know, MASICKA been a tear down the streets, you know, yeah.
People, you see what him do a while ago? Him say, even before the infrared, the collab with man Cartel do, MASICKA, cause him no want to use Cartel song for say, it propel him thing. That's why I tell you say that brother ya, all him do, I go around and big strength. When you see in the first clip with the meme them, when him say, yo, me some boy talk about go living that Gaza genocide. Him use the Gaza. Then now I go say, yo, before Cartel collab him been this and that and that. For sure ya, this him do. Him always a try play the little levels card and all of them little something there, which don't make no sense, brother. Cause at the end of the day, a Gaza give you the strength. Gaza give you the strength, brother. So right now him double down right there so and I say yo before the infrared MASICKA Ray kind him don't want to make it seems like say remember him not depend upon nobody you know so him don't want to feel like say what Cartel song make people start giving to him and Ray you understand?
Understand. So
yes, you had a momentum
so
before, right?
with the energy there, Vibes Cartel energy and my energy, so you don't know say it did have to reach that level there. You get to me I say Vibes Cartel is a man who been and make it through the years, you understand, but at the end of the day Vibes Cartel is enough collab with people where it push.
So it does give you that strength.
Yeah man, what you say?
This artist who collab with Cartel, you know. Enough collab Cartel though, and them tush. Jano. That's what I think so still.
And so it's indeed a game changer.
I'm grateful for that, yes man.
So,
yeah man, straight.
So you're part of this new generation. When I'm calling names, you're in the top 3, top 5. Are you ultimately going to be the first name like that is called?
Yeah man,
what you're
definitely.
aiming to get?
That we work towards right now, you understand? So definitely and soon too, so with all that we have planned, the videos, them, the work, the singles that we have planned for release, that are the aim.
So we are the people. So him feel like say, I remember in a Winford say about the names them and everything. See? So him feel like say, people are gonna call theme name at the top and put Cartel, Alkaline and Popcorn them below that. Him not in a sense. Cartel will build your fan bro, Gaza are your fan base, brother. You don't really have no fan base like that, bro. Would not see the effect, brother. You know really, right now a Gaza give strength, they unruly them. Anything of other than the Gaza, the bounty them, everything, and them a give strength, bro. You know enough strength, brother. For yourself. Everybody know that. You understand?
I understand, not just stages. We do show almost everywhere in America already. Atlanta, DC, Philly, New York, and the promoter them ready for book back them show for winter. Get these places, we go back again. We have England, we go Canada, we do Hamilton, we do Toronto, we do Edmonton. So the fan base growing tremendously. Get to me, so I just the top happy right now.
So what has changed about you now that you are now one of the top frontliners? What's changing your behavior? Because one time you would call any man for a clash and all these things. Is that still on your agenda?
We still run out by anybody, man. Because remember, we never lose focus, and we never lose or bring right. So at the end of the day, we get my thing by fighting for my thing and going out there for what we have to fight for this. So at the end of the day, I gotta keep on fighting for it.
People, you feel like some MASICKA fight for no career? Bro, the amount of man give strength, bro. Gaza be a strength all. You no fight for nothing, brother. Nothing you no fight for, bro. Come on, my youth. Popcorn them, the whole Gaza Alliance, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, everybody a give strength. Where you fight for, bro? All you do go around and just beg strength and play like you're a good youth and use the strength and then come out and play big like you're a top man. When you're done, use them and the strength for strengthen your thing. You understand?
Wouldn't you want to leave that behind now? As a mainstream looking to go into international.
Yeah, you see, if it ever change who you be, it don't make sense. You achieve this. At the end of the day, growth in the boat. Me not gonna make it change why. Who me is a warrior by blood, and you have to know so we get all the fighting and the thing. So that's why me have to always defend my thing. So at any time my thing put up to the test, me have to defend my thing. I always have to defend my thing. Like I just must.
People, you hear them talking back in ideas? The man say when him fi defend him thing, him a go defend it. Tell me what MASICKA defend. Them the doctor, everybody a style man. And the man, no man can't defend him camp. Man can't defend nothing. That's how I try to show you people. Them time him never reach nowhere yet, so I make them talk. When him reach pan a level now, he might try to play take the easier route. You understand? But you don't realize bro, you more you keep on running and more you end up fall back right at the spot where you start from, bro. You understand? And you don't realize that.
We have to know, say, alright, the youths are listen now. You understand? So we put out something for guide the youths in the right direction and make them know, say, at the end of the day, this is just music. No violence to the thing, just music, you understand? Yeah, because at the end of the day, we have to do it, we have to reach at a certain point, we have to grasp, and we have to get certain things, you understand? We can't make them push out our business and cover down.
But bro, people what going on with MASICKA right now? Because all of them big talk, it don't even make no sense. See, cover down everything. Bro, you in a 2025 right now, your thing look weak, brother. Weak. Right now, weak, bro. And you talk about youths and everything, bro. You still a sing about gun, 20-matic and all of them something. So it shows you, bro, you just fake, brother. All the way you did that talk back then, you still a do the opposite, bro. In a 2025, it does not make no sense.
But the man can't call you out no more, I would hope.
If him have the leverage, and if him have the songs, and if him have the fans, like we have right now, we're ready right now.
People, MASICKA a play levels card. Now me see why him not too want answer nobody. You hear what him just say a while ago? The man say when you have the fans and the song them and the leverage. Bro, so you try to tell me say your leverage and fans bigger than Cartel and Alkaline. At that you that try say? Or them time they young I don't ya? Bro, arena keep right now and your name in a topic, brother. Your name in a topic because people me I go drop a next video, you know. You see all of this consistent thing what them talk about. Wait man, I gotta expose that because them not realize what I go on. Consistent thing when them say yo Ray. You can't get with that. You understand? But this leverage card, bro. What fan? MASICKA, what fans you talking about, bro? What fans? You're talking about people who love music. But not your fans, bro. A Gaza bill. Your fan base is Gaza. Any day Gaza say yo, I eat that 100%. I eat that for you, brother. I eat that for you. You understand? So bro, see what they say, yo, you're this Cartel. You have to come apologize, brother. Forget back the Gaza fan. For sure, you, bro. You're not going to reach on that level there, brother. You see, they make up, I know so the industry are pushing and make it seems, but the impact is not there for sure. You say you're the man, bro. You see it? I just a little hype. Let me tell you where I run with MASICKA thing, people. The hype right now. Three name a little call up and Ray, and you don't know them a promote him thing, and so everybody will go want hear where am I going to say no and everything. But for fee himself, him not really do anything for say yo, as me say big shows I keep them own a show and everything. Him not really pull no numbers. You understand? I just people are book him for show where go want see some show where him alone I pull out some thousands of people, bro. The brand, everything. Him not have that yet, bro. You understand? But people, listen what I say.
Okay.
So somebody used to call one time, you're not interested in them anymore?
No time at all, you understand?
Because you passed them now.
Yeah, what did I tell them, say, we're there already, them never ready, you get to me, I say,
so them call you now, you're not interested?
Yeah, no, when you do the thing and we stay so boom down and make some songs and the thing, after the thing I work, we see some man stay so, but we leave it to hear them.
So you're not interested? That's good news for me, though.
Interested, man.
Yeah, that's good news, because I don't want artists who's getting love from mainstream to get distracted with...
People, these, you hear the industry talk? Yeah man, at the industry talk, you hear what I'm saying? Him no want artists in the mainstream get distracted. But when him see him on an interview, MASICKA and talk about the war, you know. Zine, him never try prep up MASICKA thing and say, yo, Ray, this and that, and you hear him say, yo, no want to focus on that. But it shows you say, look here, him not talk for himself. Him not angle for push him thing. You understand? At the end of the day, from first day, cause bro, you talk about level scared. Zine, you know me the first I talk the facts, bro. Level scared, they try play. All till now, because look here. Back then, you wasn't no artist like that where boss it. So, if nobody know answer you, seem like how Devin the Doctor no boss the wheel way and Devin the Doctor step to you. As you as a man in the mainstream. And you don't answer him. It was, you see him like when you were try rush Idonia and I rush Alkaline. Where in the thing them time there. And them never answer you like that, bro. So you know, like how you're in mainstream now. So if anybody want to run off for you, we're big and bigger than you. You know if you run and try play level scared again, bro. It shows you you're weak, brother. You're weak. You understand? Cause you are trying to play level scared with the artists them are way more bigger level than you. It don't make no sense, bro. That won't make no sense. Me understand with Devin the Doctor. But if you are going to try to play level scared with any artist bigger than you, that don't make no sense, brother. You understand?
And he's not even getting distracted, because if you play over the years, you know, remember Bunty and Bean do it, you know, you understand, and his rivalry always a part of dancehall if you talk about the root of dancehall. So we prepare for anything, any aspect. Because if you play dancehall, a rivalry always go on, you always have clash. It's interesting if you play rap music, if you play any genre.
Well, recently we spoke to Idonia, and he didn't call your name. No name was called. But we suspect that it was you.
So now that me I try to tell the people, him always a talk about war and he must step and he must different in brand array. And in a 2025, how much artists run him, brush him, everybody. But I'm tell you what him want the attention, they want everybody. Cause look you know, it's like him a try spite, cause them time when nobody never look on him. Now them a look on him a try play level scared, they don't wanna say, yo, nah pre them you there. But you go and stay, cause you know understand with dancehall. This is what them never want to tell you, know. If you know, go after somebody and put them in them place, nobody now go respect in a dance. You see where they with you and Joshy, and you hear them diss you up, them all use alkaline and say, yo, you're afraid of alkaline, and if I the alkaline more braver, you go on, cause you feel like say, them look a hot song, I go give the respect there. And that's how you work, brother. You understand? But I go play a next clip, people. This are the thing with I do nothing. But more want to listen, cause I make people realize what I want.
Is it or is it not?
Well, you know, say, we passed that level there. Going for God no. There's not a feud with me I doing it right now. As I say, as in you don't know MASICKA brave and we step out and go do a thing and him did afraid in the initial stages. So the thing I work now, I say, them a throw a bag of word and do but him look a crown is them not really relevant. You understand when nobody really know how to do a bag of song, but at this point and this
Then MASICKA, I don't know could have said the same thing. You wasn't nobody them time when you attack I don't know, bro. That's why I try to show you my love. My love dig up them whole video, you know. Yeah man. You wasn't nobody. Same like how I don't know cronies are Russia and Ray. You was a crony too. We are trying to rush Idonia. You wasn't nobody, brother. Now you're boss. And I do your thing now. You put that aside. All when nobody are Ray. Why making a brave again? Oh, because you reach that level you know. You want to take the easier route where you don't want nobody clash and you feel like say, oh, you maybe lose or something. Because I'm tell you this, bro. The little lyrics them we are going on your song them, brother. Them they are like some simile. They like as and all of them look something there, bro. You understand? I mean, no say you no good pan counteracting. You understand? If you are this somebody, you just go sing some. Cause see like a recent song where Jeopardy, bro. That the song there, brother. Come on. Better than that. Nothing really in that, bro. If you say yo lyrically or something, you see it. But this is with Uno as artists. Uno be greedy and now, uno get big and now and rate and this and that. Because in a life, more than one time, that time I repeat, you know. Yeah, cause I always say, yo, your boss, every 3 years, 4 years again. That me always say. Your little moment and when I go on with it and everything. You see it.
Moment in my career, me not pay them no attention. You get where me I say, cause when me did, they at that stage and I tell them say, yo, see it, you know, see the confrontation.
When you were looking for, when you did that pitch fight.
Yeah, so
you never pay no mind.
No, and if it a go be a case where it a go be a lyrical encounter, I don't need to answer, cause right now, I don't not even really not run the place. You get what me I say? In the equation up there like one time. You see me?
But this clash,
do it now, them days done, man. Night no, days done.
Yo, that brother, just be one bag of tough chat him make, you know. Be a bag of tough chat. You know, say some like a weak and soft man talk saying, yo, when we did there them level, when they never answer me, and when me reach now, really. Bro, if you're a war, you're a war, bro. You say you're defend the crux man, you can't do it all. No. You try to play level. Honestly, boy, me I tell you, cause you feel like say them like a song, your brother. Me see what go on. Me know say the label spend some big money. Album a forward, you know. Yeah man, album a forward up, so we see what go on. Everybody, you see people, if you realize anytime an album for release, him always get that like a hype up moment there. I see him with last year and I see him with the year before. You understand? GOK and them did a try to do it last year. Him if you drop it December, you know. But it not work. You understand? Anytime album fi drop, this are the moment. It always start from like in the summer, go back to December. Them try to hype him up, promote him array. So when the album fi drop now, yeah man, everything just fall in line with that. That's what them always do. But you see the first part of the year, yeah man, nothing really dead. I mean I go expose every year what go on. You see me? But people don't know media facts, you know. Yeah man, I'll come for talk the facts, man. You see me? Big up everybody, big up all fan base. I don't know anything, so but me have to make people know what go on. Cause social media we trick enough and realize what go on. You see it? Yeah man, I know the thing set. Yeah man.